Turn on equipment. The equipment has 3 switches, and 2 of these are knob type and another one is a damper type. In one of the knob type switches you can control the air intensity. This switch has 3 speeds and which allows you to control to the operator's liking for greater comfort. To use the equipment, you will need to be positioned in the first knob switch. On the second knob switch, you can control to your liking what temperature you want the cabin temperature to be. This switch has blue boxes, which goes from smaller to larger, interpreting how cold you want the climate to be in the cabin. Note, the knob will need to be positioned at least in the first box. This is so you can make your refrigeration cycle equipment work as efficiently intended. The third knob switch will have to be activated to the on position. In this position, you will activate the compressor and allow the equipment to start air conditioning the cabin. Note, if you select the switch in the OFF position, you will be running the machine in fan mode.